Artificial intelligence is changing the world. AI is about computers thinking like humans. In personal finance, AI can help you manage your money better. It can track your spending and find ways to save. AI can even help you invest your money. AI tools use your data to give you personalized advice. They learn from your past behavior. This helps them make better suggestions for your future. AI tools can automate tasks like paying bills and tracking investments. AI is not here to replace human advisors, but it can be a powerful tool to improve your financial life. Budgeting is the foundation of good financial health. AI can make budgeting easier and more effective. Apps like Mint and YNAB, which stands for You Need a Budget, use AI to simplify budgeting. Mint connects to your bank accounts and credit cards. It automatically tracks your spending and categorizes it. This gives you a clear picture of where your money is going. YNAB takes a different approach. It encourages you to give every dollar a job. You decide how to allocate your income each month. YNAB uses AI to help you stay on track and reach your financial goals. Saving money is crucial for financial security. AI can help you save more effectively. AI-powered saving tools like Digit and Qapital automate your savings. Digit analyzes your spending habits and identifies small amounts you can save. It then automatically transfers those amounts to a separate savings account. Qapital lets you set savings goals and create rules for automatic transfers. For example, you can set it to transfer a certain amount every time you make a purchase. Section 4. Investing for the future with robo-advisors. Investing can be intimidating, but it's essential for growing your wealth. Robo-advisors like Betterment and Wealthfront use AI to simplify investing. Robo-advisors ask you about your financial goals and risk tolerance. They then create a diversified investment portfolio based on your answers. These platforms automatically rebalance your portfolio as needed. Robo-advisors offer a low-cost and accessible way to start investing. They are a good option for beginners who are new to the world of investing. Section 5. AI and your credit score. Your credit score is a vital part of your financial health. AI can help you manage and improve your credit score. Credit Karma and Experience credit tools are two popular AI-powered tools. These tools provide you with your free credit score and report. They use AI to analyze your credit history. They alert you to potential issues and offer personalized recommendations for improvement. By monitoring your credit score and using AI-powered tools, you can take control of your creditworthiness. This will help you qualify for better loan rates and financial products.